This is the video for the combined gas law problems in the gas laws unit. The problem says a flexible container of gas initially occupies 11 liters at 30 degrees Celsius and 1.4 atmospheres. The pressure is increased to 4.5 atmosphere and the temperature changes to 40 degrees Celsius. What is the final volume of the gas? So we'll find our givens. We see 11 liters, 30 degrees Celsius, 1.4 atm. Those are our initial conditions. Then there's a change, and the final conditions are 4.5 atm and 40 degrees Celsius. 11 liters. Liters tells us that's volume. It's our initial condition, so we write V1 equals 11 liters. Next, we have 30 degrees Celsius. But remember, when you see degrees Celsius, you need to add 273 to convert that to Kelvin. So temperature 1 will be 303 Kelvin. Pressure 1 is 1.4 atmosphere. ATM tells you that's a pressure unit. We see another pressure measurement here. This is after the change, so that's P2, which is right there. P2 is 4.5 ATM. And we have a new temperature, 40 degrees Celsius. When you see degrees Celsius, add 273 to convert to Kelvin. Volume of the gas is unknown in the final conditions, so V2 equals question mark. Since volume, temperature, and pressure are all changing, I'm going to use the combined gas law. P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. I'm going to plug in my values. I get 1.4 times 11 divided by 303 equals 4.5 V2 divided by 313. There are several ways to solve this, but my first step is going to be to multiply these two together and divide by 303, which gives me 0.0508. I also went ahead and punched in 4.5 divided by 313 and wrote that as the coefficient for V2. Notice that I include at least 3 digits after I hit my first non-zero digit when you have these really tiny numbers. That way you're sure you have enough information in that number. I want to get V2 by itself. Right now I'm multiplying V2 by 0.0144. So I divide both sides by 0.0144. That gets V2 by itself. And V2 equals 0.0508 divided by 0.0144. When you punch that in your calculator, you see that V2 is equal to 3.53 liters. Liters is my volume unit. And then you can put that in the answer box.